How to change font size on Toobit application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to learn how you can easily change your font size in the Toobit app. First of all, launch open Toobit application on your smartphone or your device, and then once you are inside the home page, make sure you're logged in as well. After you are, go to the top left corner and tap on your human icon. Now from the menu appearing on the next page, go ahead and select Preferences. Under Preferences, click on Font Size and select the font size from the menu. You can choose between regular, medium or large. Select the one you'd like. And after you do that, you'll be able to change your font size on Toobit application. Simply change it to your preference and you are done. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.